Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Fresh. If you haven't been making money online from the comfort of your home, or if you haven't made a dime from the comfort of your home, that means you haven't been watching my videos as I share legit ways you can actually earn money online from the comfort of your home. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to receive notification for my videos that I upload. Make use of this opportunity and make money now. So today I'm going to share with you a website that you can actually use to make money online. All you have to do on this website is to actually read news. So you create an account, you read news, and you get paid. You don't even need to pay any money. That's one sweet thing about the website. I'll be dropping the link in my description. But before you proceed, all you have to do is actually follow the step-by-step process that I will show you in this video so that you don't get to miss out on anything. And also, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money before the end of this video. So let's get started. So to get started, like I said, the link is in my description. All you have to do is actually click on it, open the website. Here, you have a page to actually register with this website. So here in the first tab, all you have to do is input your number here. When you input your number here, say please input your password. All you have to do is put your unique password that is unique only to you. Then you repeat it here. Now this last part, you don't need to change anything. They just click on create account and you are good to go. So after you've created account, this is what the page will look like. Because I will just pause this video and create an account now, then take you to the very first page after I've created the account. Let's get started. So after you've created an account with them, this is what you will see on your page. So to get started, to actually make money on this website, all you have to do is actually click on this person here at the bottom right hand side. You can see there are three tabs here: the home tab, the task, and the person tab. So all you have to do is click on the person tab, click on sign in. Remember, you've logged in already. You just need to click on sign in. And this is the page we have. Now, once you open this page, you click on sign in now. And automatically, you've earned 15 gold coins. Now, if by doing this, you earn free points every day. And the more you sign in, the more you earn. So you will earn 15 points for signing in for the very first time. On the second day, you will earn 30 gold coins. On the third day, you will earn 30. On the fourth day, 75, and so on. So let's go back. How do you now read the news? You click on this arrow here. This arrow to go back. Then you click on, see, there are different tabs. You can see coin, sports, and news. All you have to do is click on the very first news under the coin. You can read as many news as possible. Now, you can scroll down to read the news if you're interested in it, or you can just wait for the time here to count. You can see read for 30 seconds. You scroll down. After 30 seconds, let's wait for the time to count. Scroll down and click on the like button. You can also like. Okay, the time is counting now. Say finish reading in 22 seconds, 19 seconds. I've liked it already. So make sure anytime you are reading, you click on the like button. That's counted 2,861. That's to say over 2,861 people have actually read this news already. So we wait until the 30 seconds countdown is completed. Then you can now see completed reading. Now, how do you now make money? You can read as many news as possible. You can see, let me show you something here. Let's pick another news to read. It's counting down already. I'll just have to cut the video. I will not show the full because that will take lots of our time. But I just want to use it to show you different things on how you can actually make money from these websites. Now, we've read the first one. Now, this is the second article we are reading for 30 seconds. Mind you, I'm not even reading the article. I'm just scrolling it. You don't even need to read. Just scroll, wait for 30 seconds. I'm going to show you how you can actually claim this coin, because while reading, you're already earning coin, but you've not claimed it. So you have to go back to claim it. So I click on the like button to show I've actually read it. Let me go back and show you how to actually claim these coins. Now click on the task here. You scroll down, you can see you've read 2 articles already. Now let me zoom in a little so I can see the under of my tab. Yes, you can see you finish this one. You can see available. So all you have to do is actually click on available, and you can see finish. That means you receive this. If I scroll down again, you can see that my coin has increased from 30 to 60 because I was given 30 coins just by reading those 2 articles. So all I have to do again and read 5 articles. If I read 5 articles, I'll click on finish again, because after now what you see is available. You can see here what is here is unfinished, but after I read another 5 articles, I will see from this unfinished it will change to available. I just click on it and I will earn another 30 coins. Just by reading different articles, you can earn as much coin as possible. So if you want to continue reading articles, you can go on and read and earn as much as you can. Now, which other ways do you now earn from this website? You can sign in every day to earn. You can also read news to earn. That's the 2 ways you can actually earn. Then the third way you can actually earn is inviting friends. All you have to do, if you want to invite somebody, you can click on invite friends to join, whereby you will get your unique referral link to invite your friends with, and when they register, they'll give you gold coins for those of your friends that have registered. So to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on the person tab at the right bottom corner. Then you can click on withdraw here. Then from here you can choose your bank card. Bank card means your account number. Immediately you click on it, you can input your account number, your phone number, your beneficiary account number. Click on the account name here. Put your account name. What's your name? This is where you put your real name. From here you put in your phone number, and here you can go ahead to put in your bank account number. Type your bank account number and choose the kind of bank you are using. And select the bank here. You can see the different banks are already showing. I don't want to search it for now. You can select your bank account number, input your email, then set your personal withdrawal password. Remember, your personal withdrawal password is different from the password you use in creating the account. So this is just about a 6-digit pin that you can set, and make sure you are able to remember it at all times. So this withdrawal password should be unique to you alone. You should not share it. So that's it, guys. You can actually earn money from this just by visiting this website and reading news. Now I've just read 2 articles and I've earned 60 gold points. And mind you, you can earn more than this. The more you read, there are more articles for you to read here. There are countless articles for you to read. So seize this opportunity, subscribe to this website and read. Mind you, you are not being asked to pay any amount of money. So it's a free money for you. Instead of wasting time going through Instagram or Facebook without gaining anything, these websites are giving you the opportunity to read different news. It could be coin news. In fact, you can even learn from it. You can see sports news. You can get to read about sports if you're interested in sport. You can just click on this news here where you can see general news about what's going on. So feel free, go through the website and earn money from it. Do not sit on it. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, as I'll be sharing more videos on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. Now, this money might not be too much, but if you combine everything I've been showing you on this channel, trust me, you will make a lot of money by the end of the month. Do not sit on it. Let's make this money together. So see you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.